Good morning, guys. How are you, everyone? Happy Monday. Everything goes according to our plan from yesterday. We want to see longs to 14, 78, 14, and 78, 20. Only yes, that's exactly where we reversed from. And I'm looking for Friday low daily fair value gap. So, guys, since yesterday nothing changed, everything goes according to our plan. We want to see Friday low taken first on a yes. Wait. Oops. Yes, guys, looking for lower over here. Yeah, you sent me music, right? Yeah, I saw exercise yesterday because I'm gonna go to the gym like right after Steam today. So we'll try to apply what you shared with me. But yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. I saw. So guys, how's your morning so far? Damn, looks good to take Friday low and daily fair value gap. Honestly, looks good on NQ as well, but on NQ, probably we need to invert for our fair value gap first. But honestly, good. Gonna check gold. Guys, look at gold. So remember our plan on gold? So we want to stay bullish on gold and we will try to long gold if we're gonna get pullback after sweep of this equal highs. We got sweep of this equal highs. Amazing. First part is done. Second part, we want to see pullback near 44.10 around. So like we don't really need to see sweep of this level, but we want to see an attempt to take this level. So basically we want to see this low taken. We call this distortion low, right? Let me delete this one and put this one. So basically we want to see distortion low taken at 44.20. So if you're gonna take this low, once again, we can sweep 44.10. We can just stay above this level. It's perfectly fine. Our idea is we're taking out equal highs, going down to distortion low, which is 44.22.3, sweeping this level, hourly inversion fair value gap, long. Why hourly inversion fair value gap? Because we're talking about a daily candle. We're talking about retracement of 50% of previous daily candle range, right? At this point, we want to switch on hourly time frame because it's time frame alignment chart, daily to hourly. And if it wants to be continuation of market maker buy model on hourly chart, it's gonna be second stage of reaccumulation. We're gonna get hourly inversion. So basically, I would like to get at least one or two more down close candles on gold. If so, inversion offered, we want to try to long, we'll put stop loss below support level. We're gonna aim for this high at 45.09. So that's plan for gold, and I'm bullish only if we stay above 44.10. So if you're gonna hold 44.10, I am bullish. If it's gonna be strong break below this level, I will flip my bias. I will look for invalidation and I will flip my bias to aim for 43.60, 43.50 area. But for now, still bullish. Nothing tells me to short it yet. Which contract? Let me check on NinjaTrader because I don't know. Sorry. On gold, it's gonna be MGC. December. Seems like. Yes, December contract. What do you think which method is best? Is best price action or ICT or smart money concept? That's pretty much the same. I mean, like, what's the difference between price action and ICT? What's the difference between SMC and ICT, you know? Like, really, like, there are differences, like just definitely there are small parts, like, that are different, but mostly it's the same. October, I know NinjaTrader switch contract to December, so it's not my fault. Price is the same with TradingView. This means I will stay on December contract. I mean, yeah. There are different names that people call this as It's smart money concept, but not ICT. But at the same time, guys, it's the same, you know? For trader, I think so, yeah. Yeah, December. Ninja Trader with the same company. So guys, let's pray for pullback to try to short ES to Friday low. I hope it's not going to drop just yet. I would like to get minor pullback to weekly open, New York midnight open. If so, let's try to short to a Friday low. Yeah. Because honestly, for now, like we don't have like any important high impact news this week. We're gonna have FOMC minutes. It's minutes. It's not meeting. It's completely different news. So and usually it's like orange folder news. Sometimes they put this like red folder news, but mostly it's orange folder news. So not that significant. So this week we're not going to have any significant news, and it's gonna be monthly options expiration right on Friday. So it's gonna be tough, I guess, on Friday. Because when we have OPEX, normally just shit price action. But I still expect to get some sort of volatility, and I don't mind to get Tuesday low of the week or Wednesday midweek reversal, which I'm talking about like Wednesday or Tuesday will offer low of the week, and we will continue grinding higher. Honestly, I can see NQ this week or next week goes to all-time high. So I don't mind to get all-time high in the near future, if not this week, then next week. So let's see if today or tomorrow we're gonna drop a bit more to offer manipulation for this weekly candlestick, right? So basically, I want to see open, low, high, close. Let's pray for downside moves like today, tomorrow. Today actually can be choppy, it will be okay, but at least attempt to drop today, then tomorrow. And Wednesday we'll start offering Wednesday midweek rally. So it's gonna be potential move higher on Wednesday. Anyone lost their reduced accounts? I mean, I did like in June. What is your question? This used to last like around 20 accounts. Some evals, like I guess 5 evals. No, 10 evals, 10 funded. So 15 accounts were lost, I guess it was February or March. Don't remember. And last 5 funded accounts, they were lost in June. I think so. Yeah. Since then, everything is good. Oh, like, summer wasn't like perfect, so you don't know why? Maybe like you in rush to take setup. Maybe you don't want to wait for your model. Maybe you have FOMO. But at the same time, seriously, guys, June, July, August, really, really tough months. How did you lose them? How did you lose your account? So I'm not like different. We're all the same when we're losing accounts, guys. Right? I mean, no complaints. Yeah. Usually, like, I'm not sure if you ever heard this, but sell and may and go away. I mean, like, we need to invert this phrase, buy and may and go away, like, this year. But, like, it's true. So most people don't want to trade summer price action. It's so easy to lose in time, of course. Actually, last 5 accounts, yes, I full ported, but previous ones, no. I was like previous lost accounts, guys. I was like professional trader. I was trading silver, and you remember, guys, what happened like when it was winter, January, February, March. Remember silver price action? You could lose your account trading 1 micro. So I lost my account trading 2 micros. Oh damn! Hello, it's me. But last one, yes, full ported. Since then, I don't touch silver, guys. Just forget Dasha about silver. It doesn't exist for me anymore. Okay, guys, looking for Judas Swing to upside, we will try to short. Yeah, if you keep losing like on gold during, let's say London, try to maybe look at different markets. Maybe like euro, maybe like British pound, maybe Japanese yen, maybe something, but not gold. If you see like you keep losing on gold every single London session, something is wrong, right? Try to stay away or try to change like your approach when you trade London. No, I'm talking about IM session. Talking about IM session. By the way, guys, my recovery today is 98%. Because I woke up at 5:30 today, I was thinking like, oh, I kind of feel good. But I saw it's at 5:30 and I'm like, okay, I have 30 minutes of sleep. Not going to waste my time. You'll continue sleeping. But guys, 98% recovery. That's nice. Because last 10 days it was less than 60. See the spike, like it's funny, right? Yeah, guys, done with indicator. Just I mean, if you want to test it, guys, okay, I can share. But guys, my can you give me a favor? Can you please test this? Don't rely on this indicator because I'm not sure what I need to improve. But without you, I will not figure this out. So, indicator of RTH gaps is here. So I'm gonna share link. But guys, first, let's test this 1 week. You will let me know what I need to improve because I have no idea what I need to improve. Seriously. I will share and you will let me know, okay? One second. 10. Like, seriously. 1 second. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna share with you. Yeah, thank you, guys. Let me send you link. So basically, your task is to test. Let me know, like, what you mean I need to improve. Maybe something off. So once you add your indicator to your SPX, it's gonna look exactly like that. So I put my settings and I made them default. When you add this indicator to your favorite, when you open this indicator and add it to your chart, you're gonna have exactly same settings. So this settings is default settings. You can play with them, like you can change them if you like. So this one is just default. It doesn't mean like you need to keep them. Once again, if you want to change something, change this. But yeah, guys, this one is out for test. Let me know what you think about that. Okay. I don't think it's public, by the way. It's private indicator, so it's gonna just be like invite. Yeah, if you go like to, I guess you cannot find this without my link. My bias retracement up, and I will try to short to Friday low on ES. That's the plan. Retracement up, I'm in short to ES, or to Friday low on ES. After market open, we will try to short. So everyone saw the link? Everyone saw the link? For SPX. So on SPX, you're gonna have, I guess I changed the wording yesterday. 1 second, I'm gonna check. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I can share it one more time. Oops. Dasha, what are you doing? I'm bearish today as well. Like not super bearish, but I will short. So guys, link in the chat if you want to try this SPX indicator. Seriously guys, first week you need to test this. Let me know what I need to improve. I will make notes and I will improve on Friday. So we will collect data, what's wrong, maybe like some bugs, something. So you will let me know. So by default, you're gonna see red lines. So this means once 2-minute candle closes above or below 70.5%, what we anticipate to get? Who knows what we anticipate to get? Once 2-minute candle closes above or below 70.5%. Who knows? What you want to see at this point? Gap fill and gap fill, that's absolutely right answer. But next, it's gonna be our first target. What else we want to see? Sell side, exactly, or buy side, depends, right? So let's see this together again. So we anticipate to see break this part, right? Break of 70.5%. We anticipate to get closure above or below 70.5%, immediate fill of the gap, and attempt to take opposite liquidity level. If we closed above 70.5% on 2-minute chart, we anticipate to get gap fill and move towards the buy side, right? If we closed on 2-minute chart below 70.5%, we anticipate to see gap fill and move towards the sell side, right? Everyone remembers it. So that's why I decided to add this part of on my indicator. So basically, once we get in the closure on 2-minute chart below 70.5%, this line will show will be black at the beginning, but will switch to red one. If you don't like red, you can change colors. It's actually pink. So by default, it's gonna be just a regular, like black color. And by the way, in order to make like indicator not so many drawings on my chart, so I made this like this. It's kind of faded here, not that bright. So once again, you can change settings here. Go down, go down, go down. Restyle past unfilled levels. So if you want to uncheck this box, it's gonna be just bright colors like that. We don't want to have this because it's just too bright. We want to restyle past unfilled levels and keep them like this, right? Looks good. Agree with me? Let's wait for pullback on ES and NQ, basically move up. Then we will try to short. Let's see where we can retrace. We have hourly inversion here. We can retrace there. New York midnight open. What is this orange line across all candles? Which one? So for SPX, I use free. I mean, I have paid one, but you don't need this one. So first one, SPCFD, this means you don't need to buy extra data. So I have this one as well. So I buy, I guess I pay $4 for data. But yeah, the problem is, we do have the problem today. 17 minutes left and most likely we're not gonna have gap. Because we're trading near closure or Friday closure on ES now. I don't like this. 261, 260, like pullbacks. Oh yeah, I agree with you. Like it's right above New York midnight open. Yeah, guys, let's see if you're gonna get pullback. Nice closure, nice displacement. Needs to trade slightly higher. So I'm bullish this week, but ideally today or tomorrow I want to see short. I want to see ES takes out Friday low and takes out daily untapped fair value gap, basically right below Friday low. And I probably don't mind to see this on NQ as well. Yes, guys, when we don't have gap on SPX, that's not great signal. Most likely it's gonna be super choppy IM session, but let's hope we have 16 more minutes. It does not show up on your chart. Guys, were you able to add SPX indicator to your chart? Can you please check? Someone said he cannot see this on his chart. Let me know. Yes, you can see this? So everything like the same on your chart as on mine? Okay, because I have two TradingView profiles. So when I like work on indicators, I usually use different TradingView profile and worked there. And I added this indicator from my another TradingView profile to my LumiTraders profile, and it worked. What's the indicator name? You will not find this. It's private now, but I'm gonna send link 1 second. I will give you guys 1 week to test this. I understand. I don't know why you cannot find this. Which plan do you have on TradingView? Maybe that's why. Above 75.13, like look for shorts, right? Yeah, it's right at New York. Yeah, I agree with you. Like the test of hourly inversion for value gap, maybe. Once again, guys, we're gonna be like flexible. Like we're okay to flip the bias in case like we are wrong. So far, I kind of don't mind either today or tomorrow to see Friday low on ES, but we will see. Source code not yet. It's not done yet, so I don't want to share like not ready file yet. It's just not ready. Like to share with everyone. I'm gonna share link with you simply because you can test this with me. What time giveaway? At 11? Today is my son's birthday. He turns 7, guys. Like, imagine my son is 7. That's wild. We have a lot of liquidity above. Then why we should look for shorts? So we want... Okay, I'm not bearish this week. I want to see an attempt to take all-time high again on both ES and NQ. Like, no questions. I'm bullish. But at the same time, let's think about weekly candlestick formation. What we want to see if candle wants to be bullish? We want to see open, low, high, close, right? Low will offer, basically it's manipulation, open, low. It's manipulation to downside. So we barely traded below weekly open on ES, and I can say we almost never traded below weekly open on NQ. So ideally, if I want to be bullish this week, I want to see manipulation below weekly open on both ES and NQ, and I would like to see we taking out some sort of level, right? Key level. It can be Friday low. It can be daily fair value gap. Let's get moved from internal to external, right? Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Yes, we have daily fair value gap right below Friday low. Yeah, exactly. Then guys, lower. Let's try to short manipulation. I mean, not now. Ah, you're so nice people. Yeah. Wow, that's nice. So, short either today or tomorrow. I would like to see Friday low taken. So you flip your price. I like it. We'll go to your 6-hour high, but not, I guess, not ready yet. Thank you, guys. On NQ chart, it's just 3 indicators, like different indicators, guys. Like I showed you yesterday that I'm working on second indicator, which will highlight order blocks on different time frames. New York midnight open session high and low, previous weekly high and low, previous daily high and low, weekly open, daily open, what else? 10 a.m. open, 9 a.m. open. It's gonna be highlighted, guys, but I need 2 weeks because, I mean, it's technically ready, but it's horrible design. It's impossible to use this. So, like, I'm done with levels, and it's not that bad, but design is just horrible. I will share like second indicator with this, like all session levels, with everything, like even standard deviation projections, I guess, in 2 weeks. Thank you. But this one is ready, so that's pretty much exactly what I wanted to see from this indicator. So basically, this highlights and unfilled part of old imbalances, deletes trying to delete levels that already filled. Nice. I mean, nice. Extends this to current session. Brilliant. Thank you. But yeah, guys, this one is ready. I will just share a link in the chat for SPX. I mean, here's this again. But for session, guys, like 2 weeks. And it's like at least 2 weeks because it's really hard. I know how to change the design. I will try to do my best, but I don't know. Guys, for SPX, let me share link once again. Check chat. So for SPX, it's gonna highlight OT and the most important part, guys. So, like when we're breaking below OT and 2-minute candle closes below 70.5%, basically we want to see gap fill and liquidity level taken, right? So it's gonna change color from black to red once we get in the closure. So it's gonna be visible for us. So at this point, we want to anticipate potential gap fill and move towards the opposite liquidity level. So guys, link in the chat for this free indicator. So if you use SPX with me as well, because we trade this a lot, so it's really like nice one. I'm wondering, I guess no, I don't need to add liquidity levels. I mean, it's gonna be just too much. At least for this indicator, we'll try to keep this simple. Maybe the second one I will add like the short-term high and lows. Yeah, thank you. Just let me know like what I need to improve if you see something. Truly appreciate this. Will it work? I mean, probably no, because we tried to use this on Yes and Q, doesn't work like that. So we use this on SPX. For Ninja Trader, I didn't work on Ninja Trader indicator yet. Too much work. Just too much work, guys. Yeah, guys, because seriously, lots of messages from people who saying, I'm trying to use your lesson and it's perfect. It works so nice when I'm on Steam with you, but when I'm trying to apply this like FIB levels on my chart, it's completely different levels. So I was like, well, to avoid these questions, it's better for me to just write indicator, which gonna highlight this for us. Right? And obviously it's free. Like, I'm against of paid indicators. At least I'm not really against of paid indicators, but I'm against to pay like $40 a month or like $40 a month or $50 a month for indicator. If it like wants to make this paid, like make this one-time fee. Let's say $40 one-time fee or $50 one-time fee. This one is okay, but I'm against of monthly subscriptions, big monthly subscriptions. $5 a month, fine. $10 a month, maybe fine, but not more than this. But yeah, guys, would like to let you know, I'm not going to copy someone's indicators because it's their work. I appreciate their work, and I'm never going to copy someone's indicator, like paid indicator. So no. Because once again, it's someone's work. I cannot steal this. I'm not going to do this, never, ever. So I'm gonna only write indicators basically available for free already on TradingView. Just will try to modify for myself. Yeah. you got my point. Like, for me, it's just too much. I mean, I can write this indicator, but I'm not going to share this publicly, never ever, because once again, it's someone's work, and stealing this not fair. Thank you, guys. I appreciate this. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. How are you? How was your weekend, guys? Share with me, how was your weekend? I hope it was a wonderful weekend, and we're ready to kill this week. Ow. Good morning, good morning. Fix the toilet. Big problem, like seriously. Guys, you're very welcome. No problem. Claude actually is super good with indicators. Did not try to use ChatGPT yet, but I believe it's pretty much same. YM, please. So I divorced with YM. I mean, I was trying to love YM for a couple of months. But you know what? I decided, like, okay, I will step away. I don't like it. I mean, it used to be good in March and April, and I actually made good money with YM trades. But at the same time, it was really tough to use it because you're always trying to compare this with ES and NQ, and it's like moves opposite. And I was like, I know, I don't want to try this because I really trying to stop thinking about ES and NQ when I'm trying to trade YM, because if I'm bearish on ES and NQ, I'm looking for shorts on YM as well. Just, I cannot control this. So it was kind of hard for me, especially like looking like at ES and NQ's drop and YM keep going higher, making new all-time high. It was hard, you know? Blue, yeah, I like blue. I like yellow. I like black color as well. But my husband keeps saying, like, do I always like wear black color? Like someone died or what is going on? Well, guys, I'm waiting for market to open, pull back to upside, and we'll try to short to Friday low, I guess. Maybe it's gonna drop now, but I hope it's gonna go slightly higher. Test of weekly open in New York, midnight open, because NQ trying to stay above this level. So ideal plan for me, video tracing up, then this one. But I feel like it's gonna drop without us. What is your target on your short? I want to see something like that. I hope to get this one. Please do the thing to upside first. Don't trap yet. But at least we have volatility, you know? It's nice. Probably yes, depends. The problem is, you will see this now. Over here, we barely have gap on SPX. That's big problem, to be honest. Hope it's gonna bounce. Oh, It's so bad, guys. We completely fill gap. I mean, it's so bad. It's really bad to see this. But yeah, let's go higher first. I don't like it. Seriously, guys. Need to get to the swing, so to upside, so to try to short this. Looks ugly. Okay, let me connect TPT. Not fun, not fun. Let's go slightly higher. Up and down, ideally. Higher to short. I want to see we go into hourly inversion fair value gap. I want to see we bounce into 78.14. Guys, gonna come back in a moment. Yeah, let's wait for a move towards the 78.14, maybe 16.80. Yeah. Then I would like to get big below this level on 2-minute chart, 78.14 in New York. But then we will try to short this. No, wait for me. We got the closure below 70.5%. So technically, yeah, it could be trade idea here. Oh, damn it. Okay, let's see. Maybe it will retrace back there. Damn, such an ugly price action. Okay. Since I missed this, let's see if it's gonna pull back to 85 on SPX. Ideally, guys, like seriously, ideally to get move up first. I don't like this manipulation. Yes, we broke above weekly open and daily open, but ugly. Nice equal lows on SPX. Are you kidding me? Maybe I will trade in Q then. We got the closure below 70.5%. It could be short. It could be short, guys. Okay, let's switch on MNQ then. Not going to argue with this. How many contracts? Damn, I hate you. Maybe we'll shorten Q. Sorry guys, 1 second. I need to figure this out first. Trying to stay below this level. Short. Don't like to trade right at market open, but maybe we'll take it. 120. Let's see. So no reason to short, yes. Like 0 reason for this. Why? Oops, sorry guys. Why? Because we just hit daily fair value gap on Friday. Low. It's okay. If it could retrace like to this level here, I could short, but no reason to short, yes. Like no reason to have FOMO. So let's see if it's gonna stay below 9 AM open. I will try on NQ. No on a yes. No reason on a yes. Just 0 reason on a yes. If it's gonna retrace back below 9 AM open, I will try this one. Yeah. Let's wait. No. Okay. Don't feel bad about this, you know. Maybe it was nice one, but at the same time, it's fine. Market just opened. How big stop loss will be 30 points? Oh, okay. Good one. Yes, Barbara, hitting the 77.94. Ridiculous, right? Actually, reversed 2 ticks away, which makes me feel like trying to leave room to go lower later. How many points it was? Oh, it's not even 10 points. It's okay. It's really small range to work with. Let's see if NQ will break below 9 AM open. If so, I would like to see another leg to downside on both yes and NQ. If not, then it's okay as well. This short below 9 AM open with stop loss above New York midnight open partial will be at 155. I guess I want to try, yes. How big stop loss is at 30 points? This means like 4 micros to start, I guess. Yeah, look at this. We got the closure below 9 AM open. Small displacement and it's our short. I will try this one. I will trade 4 micros, I think. Just 4 contracts. $155.75 gonna be our partial. Final TP. I know, we will see. Stop loss sitting here. How much I'm risking? Like, not that much, I guess. $200 on this trade risk. I like it. So only yes, guys, I'm looking for move towards 77.94. I'm gonna put alert there. So we want to see immediate balance, if I can say this. So we didn't hit equilibrium of Friday range. Ideally, I want to see this level taken. So why I want to see why I want to see equilibrium Friday range taken? Because we got sweep of this level on ES and price rejected of this level, but at the same time we just opened above equilibrium Friday range level on NQ and we never traded this. Guys, you can go with break even if you want. So risk is pretty tight for me, so I'm gonna risk this one. It's just okay. I'm just not sure how what they want to do. I guess I'm gonna take it if I'm wrong. If it could take equilibrium Friday range, I could chill to break even. Like here, it's okay. If loss, then loss. I want to see 77.94 on ES. I mean, you know what? Sorry, guys. If it's gonna bounce to New York midnight open again and stay below this level, I mean, I will try probably again. But my stop loss sitting slightly below New York midnight open. Sorry, guys. I mean, it's fine for me. Not enough. I will try to try again. Because I truly believe it left room to downside. Let's see. Risk once again is pretty tight for me, so it's $200 risk. I will take it. It's half of my risk. Normal risk. Oh, why I keep moving this? Sorry, guys. As long as below New York midnight open, so it's valid. If it's gonna break above, then I don't know what I want to see, but maybe I don't know what. Maybe like what's the session? It's like just pre-market high, okay. So why I put my stop loss? So basically it's previous candle high. That's why I put it there. Yes, in my opinion, still left room to go lower. I want to see 77.94. It didn't take this level yet. Maybe it will do after 10, you know, because we entered like right, what time we entered the trade? At 9:38. So maybe we kind of early. So I will take it. Maybe it will offer silver bullet for shorts later. It's fine. But I still would like to see we taken out equilibrium Friday range. If not now, then like after 10. Actually, I want to take like most positional there. Let's see. I'm gonna check daily chart 1 second. Look at this double sweep on daily. Yeah, I would like to see a bit lower first. So far, just trying to trade my plan. It was according to our plan. If it can take this equilibrium Friday range, I can like trail to break even. Because nothing was taken. I mean, what was taken? Well, weekly open was taken. We got this kind of delayed manipulation, or how to call this. But it's not enough manipulation for weekly, I guess. Asia low. Oh, Asia low was taken before at 8 a.m. 8:50 a.m. My concern right now is trying to stay below equilibrium Friday range. NQ opened above this level. So basically, it should retest this again. The question when? After 10 a.m. or like right now? We will see. 30-minute candle kind of, questionable here. So I cannot say like what I see for now. It's bearish or bullish. So I don't know how we're gonna close here. It's really questionable. And 15 minutes left. But hourly, look at hourly, guys. Can you see hourly chart here? See how price swept 50% of previous expansion candle? It's 100% bearish signal. Okay, 99% bearish signal. So it's 99% good short. 1%, like you never know, right? I want to see 77.94 on yes. What time is this now? Okay, 9:46. Let's see if it can offer this delayed retest of 156. 155.75. The most important for me to see 77.94 on yes. I can, well, let's say NQ just stuck, but at the same time, ES tested 77.94. I can trail stop loss. Let's see. Okay, I can trail stop loss because of an ES. Because of ES, I can do this now. Yeah. Only because of ES, not because of NQ. But I still want to see 156 on NQ. So bad. Now it makes sense. Especially if you're gonna get the closure here. Then it can be good. What time frame is this to? Okay. I'm trading 40 accounts now. Let me see if I got different feel. Yeah, I got slightly different feel. Like 1 point difference. Look at this reaction so far from 77.94 on ES. Oops. Boy. You got it. See how we kind of stuck here at 77.94? So I really want to see reaction here. But the problem is NQ left unfinished business lower. NQ kind of lagging here asset, I guess. Oh damn, 3-minute chart looks bad. My stop loss sitting at. I know what to expect on NQ honestly now. Super choppy 30-minute candle, but hourly looks better. I like how hourly trying to stay below 50%. It's bearish. Come on, hit 56 first before reversal. If you want to retrace up, probably I'm not gonna long, guys. Because my plan is to get like maybe tomorrow another leg to downside. Well, here, okay. I know what to expect here on NQ. I still want to see another leg to downside. Yes, looks good, but on NQ, I would try to re-enter. Let's wait for 10, maybe I will re-enter. We still below 9 AM open on ES. I think I will re-enter during silver bullet hours. Okay. Back on chart. I think I'm gonna re-enter later. Because looks good. I would like to see 156 taken. But 3-minute chart bad, guys. Looks ugly here. Okay. Let's check SPX. SPX bearish, guys. I don't know. I want to see Nikkei lower as well, but let's just wait. I'm not sure from what level I want to short. Again. Super messy here. Okay, probably next trade will be on a yes. Maybe. I don't know. They will see. It didn't look bad on NQ though. We're trying to stay below 9:30 open on both yes and NQ. We're trying to respect 50% of previous early candle. Damn, it's bearish to me. Okay, let's see. I believe if I'm going to engage again, it's just kind of early, but at the same time, why not, right? Okay, let's see. Still below 9:30, I'm open on... Oh, sorry, guys. Only yes. Because in my opinion, yes, still trying to stay below 9:30, I'm open. We have a chance to continue going lower. I'm gonna switch on a yes, I guess. Next trade on a yes. Using SPX level. Look at gold. Is it good? It's not hourly inversion, so I cannot trade this yet. Okay, wait, guys. Yes, still bearish. NQ needs to show another sign of bearishness. Maybe rejection of New York midnight open. Maybe something like that. Not bad so far. Trying to reject off New York midnight open again. Let's see if we're trying to hold. We'll try to hold this level. I will short again. I will put my stop loss at... I don't know, like... I don't know, we will see. So I think I'm gonna short something like that on an... I said I don't want to short in Q, but probably on NQ, guys. I'd like to get maybe 2-minute like propulsion block, and I will short that one. So propulsion block so far is gonna be here, so we need to get the closure below this level. Then when like I'm trying to short or long ES, and Q moves faster. Why when I'm trying to trade in Q, ES moves better? Like what is going on? On gold, it's not that better, but ideally to get our inversion for a value gap and then move toward this 45.09, 45.10 on gold will be nice to see. Well, I will short below blue line, I guess. Stop loss 20 points. Yeah, let's see propulsion block, and I'm gonna give this a try. So we need to get the closure below blue line. I will place my short, will put my stop loss at New York midnight open. I will aim for 156. That's gonna be my trade. Second trade. Let's get the closure first. Because as long as we're holding this high, it's possible propulsion block. No reason to engage just yet, because we don't have this yet. But if we're gonna get this, like, why not, right? Let's check US, SPX. What happened here? You know, it's not that bad. Our inversion fair value gap, not inversion, just regular fair value gap. We went, it left gap lower, you know? And if you're gonna break below bottom of daily fair value gap on ES, we should go to this old gap on SPX. So it's gonna be, I'm not sure, like, one second. 94. So yeah, technically, breaking below this low should offer something like that, guys. We want to see this. Look at this perfect reaction from RD for a while. I mean, I'd really like it. Guys, who's trying to short? It's only me? I'm bearish for today and tomorrow, yes, but I want to see all-time high on NQ. Maybe it's my mistake, maybe I'm missing something, but I want to give this a try if it's gonna offer 2-minute propulsion block. Not sure about stop loss, obviously, it's not gonna be here. Guys, part of me wants to short now. Not going to copy on 40 accounts, I guess. Just will trade like 15. I'm gonna trade from here. How many minutes? Like 1 minute left on this candle. Not going to copy on Apex, I guess. But like, guys, part of me wants to try propulsion block short. On SPX, it can be trade idea, your trade idea. Almost 2 are. Like, why not? To 25% of all gap. 253. You're in short already. Oh, wow. I mean, I was, but I cut at break even. And it was smart decision to move to break even because of AS chart. Propulsion block is basically another order block once we traded into previous OB. So it was OB, we traded into this previous OB right over here. So this up close candle, if you're gonna close below this up close candle, it's gonna be propulsion block. Potential confirmation of continuation lower. Okay, 5 seconds left, we're not going to close below. At least displacement, maybe. I will take displacement as well. So it's possible propulsion block, you know. And I'm looking at 2-minute chart because on 3-minute chart, guys, you know, it's just shit. Honestly speaking, but on 2-minute chart, not bad. That's why sometimes I use 2-minute chart for execution simply because we don't have enough information on 3 and 5-minute chart. Like, we don't have any data to work with. Why it's pumping with like right now? Okay, I want to try. Look at this displacement, looks good. Okay, I guess I'm gonna try here, but not going to copy all accounts. Gonna trade on my Take Profit Trader, Tradify, and Lucid accounts. Not going to trade my Apex. I'm just don't see reason for this, okay? Nice displacement. Here's the SPX trade idea. Come on, NQ, I know you can do this. What time is this now? It's 10. it's struggling. So on a yes, it's much more obvious we need to retrace down. On NQ, it's questionable. See how it's fighting right now? Not fun. But once again, I'm willing to try. No risk, no reward, right? Yes, doing perfect job. Seriously. Let me check SPX again. So far sweep, let's see if it's gonna displace below this level. It can be SPX short. We got first closure below 9:30 AM open. We're still trading below 9:30 AM open on ES. On ES, way more bearish. But at least good sign on NQ, we went to premium. So it was like better feel at this point. So just trying to tell you guys, I'm not going too long. I don't like area for reversal on NQ. Just don't like this one. It's not for me. Area for longs. If I want to long, I will long from lower prices only. If it really wants to stay bullish for some magical reason, just stay without me. I will take it. So guys, since it failed to offer order block before, I want to partial at 178.75. It's slightly above weekly open. So why I want to do this? Because before I expected to get continuation setup, and as you can see, it failed to offer basically continuation setup. Order block failed to be formed. So we swept twice. That's why I decided I want to try to partial there, because maybe it will be potential area of support here. Trading funded, guys, funded only. Because when I'm super confident, I'm trading funded. Yes, Chris, NQ looks kind of strange. I agree with you. ES looks way more bearish. And look at SPX. SPX, unfortunately, keeps sweeping this low, but it left gap lower. So since no reaction from these lows just yet and no reaction from the bottom of daily fair value gap on ES, I feel like we may continue drop into this gap, old gap. Since we got closure below 9:30 AM open, I don't want to see the tracing back there anymore. I'm gonna trail to break even again. Fortunately, our entry is above 9:30 AM open, so like we either safe or price gonna retrace back above 9:30 AM open, and we'll continue going nowhere. But once again, fortunately for us, we closed above 9:30 AM open, and our entry is above this level. So if we're gonna break above, so most likely we will continue chop around, which I don't like. But I highly recommend to take partial at 179 if you can, because it was old support level, which failed to be order block in the past. So I seriously want to like take some off there. Maybe we need to trade soybeans. Maybe, I don't know, like chocolate. What else I can trade? I didn't get my coffee, by the way, today. What else should I trade? Like, give me instruments that moves like much more obvious than NQ now. Coopers. Like something that moves much more obvious than NQ now. Can someone see this instrument? Well, I mean, I'm kidding now. Like, seriously, I like indices and I like lower. Anything else doesn't make any sense. Orange juice. Yeah, I mean, guys, jokes aside, seriously. All I see is potential continuation lower on NQ. If it wants to reverse, like, because it simply wants to reverse, I don't like it. I'm not gonna take it. NQ closed below 50% of previous expansion candle. See this up close candle here? It failed to close above. It's bearish millions percent for me. So I have to short this. So guys, if you can partial at 179, do this simply because it's all support and potential OB that failed to be offered, so formed. I want to partial there. I'm not gonna play games with NQ. I will lock some profit and walk away if I can do this. So as you can see, guys, I don't play with lots of contracts here because I'm aware of chop. And I don't want to over leverage at this point. No reason, simply no reason. But if you see your setup is here, but overall picture not super obvious, just size down. Don't risk a lot. And guys, not yesterday, 2 days ago, I got new serum. It's gonna be a review of new serum. It's collagen. We need to try this one. Oh, look at this, nice one. Because remember, I told you like I don't like vitamin C. The action on my skin. But now, guys, we're gonna look young. Hit 179. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Who are we to give up? Who are we to give up? Who are we to give up, guys? Seriously. Who are we to give up? First try, failed. But once again, we can re-enter again, right? Oh, yeah. 155.75 now, or market is a scam. Take it, take it, take it, take. By the way, what time we entered for short? I don't remember. It was over here. I want to see, as you can see, I put my target two ticks higher because you never know, but I want to see 155.75. Come on! I'm gonna trail over. You know, small green, but green unfunded. I will take it. I will take it. 240? 240 on each account. 15 funded accounts. I mean, I will take it seriously. Forgot to apply this part of my face. Well, you can just keep trailing your stop loss. I still believe we have room to go lower. But what I don't like, why I want to trail my stop loss, let me show you why. Look at this. SPX can't close below the sell side yet. So definitely not a great signal. So what we consider this as a sweep, right? Nothing else. It's just sweep. But I want to see 156 first. If not now, maybe later today. Not tomorrow. Later today, I want to see 156 taken because once again, we swept this level on ES. Wow. I mean, thanks for partial, but you could take 156. Where it was? 4 points away. I mean, we will take it, but I'm not gonna short anymore. Wow, look at this reversal. Thanks God we partialed. Because like imagine guys to hold for 156 and don't partial this. I would cry right now. Like jokes aside, I would cry. If it reverse on me like 4 points away from TP. It could be painful. Guys, let's hit the like button. We deserve this like because we shorted twice and it almost worked. But yeah, once again, 156 will be taken. If not on this try, I expect to get this maybe later today or tomorrow morning. I want to see 156 taken. I don't want to see all-time high, any like big moves up without taking 156. Seriously, I want to see there first. I'm not sure yet we're gonna enter third short yet. But if it's gonna be for tomorrow, we will. We will aim for 156. SPX the problem though. Look at this. 3 sweeps, not a great signal. If it could close below, yes, we safe. But I mean, we safe like either way. Nice Monday, you know, nice Monday. I'm happy with my like $240. $30 actually. On each account, you know, for funded, it's not bad start, you know, of the week. Could be way worse. You know, considering this chop, we got not bad trade. Yes, still strong with bearish trend. But on NQ definitely we have seek and destroy. Sorry guys. Well, it's our first trade. No, actually we entered here. We were in drawdown a little bit. Our first trade was here, right? And we closed at break even. No, stop loss was for the same one. We closed at break even. Here. Oh, you know, I just realized like 2 times, actually 2 times it was near our TP. Wow. 2 times it was near my TP. 2 times it reversed like seriously a couple of points away. Wow. Like seriously, wow. But, I mean, it's Monday. I mean, maybe I'm expecting too much for no news day. 280. I'm not gonna long, I already said this. Without hitting 156, I'm not going to long this. I'm just gonna skip, I guess, in Q for longs. Maybe I will look something for on yes, maybe. I mean, maybe, but I'm not gonna take this on NQ 100%. No longs on NQ. 100%. Maybe on yes. Maybe, you know, maybe. Ow. I can long yes, by the way, above 930 I'm open. We can do this now. Not now. Long from 7803. We may try this one actually. No. Okay, there is stop at break even. At least green. At least green on the day. I will take it. Nice trade. Like small W so far for the day. Let's focus on another trade. But it's gonna be on yes. Once again, I'm not going to long in Q. I just don't like it. I seriously trying to fight with this, but I'm not fan of this. But yes, maybe I will. Yeah. I kind of feel bad for NQ now. So, I don't know. I will try to stay away for now. NQ still anticipating same setup. Oh, God. But on NQ, it's not easy, seriously. Like, looking in hindsight, it's not easy trades on NQ. My long on ES gonna be only above this area. Not going to long ES as long as we stay below. This one for the future. NQ, like, seriously, F you. Up the clock. You know what? I have clock. See this? At the top of my screen. Over here. It's 10:16 now. Well, I shorted twice, so I guess enough for now. We'll wait for third trade, but just a little bit later. It takes so much energy here to trade this. Everybody long in queue so it can go down. Yeah, we don't mind. I will short a yes over here, based on SPX. Not valid yet. Let me switch on a yes. So gonna disc on a yes what I made on NQ. So, not more. Let's see if SPX will validate. This one. These two. But once again, gonna disc what I made only, not going to disc more. Let's see if it's gonna close on SPX below my key level. I partialed, so I expected to get reaction from potential support if it's not going to close. We barely closed below this level, so basically it still failed OB. So I expected to get a reaction. That's why. I don't want to enter NQ anymore. It's really, I gave this 2 tries. Enough. Need to know when to stop, right? I still want to see 156. You got this point, but I like small profit, so I'm really happy with this. Not going to overtrade. Because I believe if I'm gonna enter third time, I'm just going to overtrade already. It's just too much. Once again, need to know when to stop. Especially I already like made some money. For Monday, I'm fine with this. Let's see if SPX will offer this setup. We have gap lower. See how we keep sweeping weekly open, like 1, 2, 3 times. It's just like, unnecessary stress here for me. Takes so much energy to be in this trade. Sorry, guys. It's just choppy, yes. I mean, I want to see 156, but entering third time, I don't know, not worth it. No matter how bad I want to see 156. Still waiting for SPX to close below this level on 2-minute chart. And we'll give this a try. Okay, trying to displace. How big risk? Let me calculate. Yeah, once again, I'm gonna risk only what I made on SPX. We're going to 156. Ah. Ridiculous. Okay, guys, let's focus. Let me calculate. If I'm gonna enter like here, it's gonna be, let me see how many, 7-point stop loss. Yeah, like 6 micros probably. 15 seconds left. Or either displacement or closure below. I will take it. First minor closure. Let me disconnect my Lucid accounts in Tradify. We'll trade the short, not on them. I like this one, I guess. We got the closure, right? Let me zoom in a little bit. Super minor closure. Well, disgusting. It looks disgusting. Let's see. Closure is ugly, but if displacement, I will try to short on my take profit trader accounts. Not going to risk on Tradify and Lucid because like it's my base hits, so I will leave this for now. But on TPT, I will try this one. On using SPX levels. Not really levels, just trying to see if you're gonna take old RTH gap. Look at NQ. Disgusting. Like, seriously, disgusting. Waiting for displacement to try. So it's gonna be around, like, if I convert this right, 77.90 entry. We'll trade only on take profit trader accounts. I kind of like it here. We hit 156. No way. No way. Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely, I don't know, ridiculous. It's just ugly. It's just shit price action. It just, I mean, just, I don't know. Look, immediate bounce from 155.75. Wow. Okay, let's switch on SPX. Waiting for displacement, I will try this one. Because no closure, no strong closure yet. Because now I'm okay with reaction to upside if SPX will fail to displace below 77. What level was there? 77, 72. If it fails to displace, NQ will react from 56, 156. I will say, okay, I'm okay with reversal now, a reaction now. We got the closures. Listen, guys, not that bad. Disgusting closure. Okay, it's gonna be probably risky trade. It's up to you if you want to take this. Like, seriously, guys, it's risky trade. This one. $81 actually, okay. See how we're fighting with sell side? Ugly. But at the same time, worth to try, you know, if it's gonna displace now below sell side. At least to try to go to this old gap. Because, you know, like, we don't have anything here. Except we have, I guess, nothing. This one don't copy, okay? If I'm gonna enter. I will still trade on my funded, but please don't copy this. I guess it's just too risky. I like how it's trying to stay below. Okay. I think I really want to try this. It's like 1.6. Well, guys, don't copy this, okay? I just want to try. This one is risky. Super risky here. But I just want to try. I just trade, like, guys, 5 accounts, only on Take Profit Trader. I already lock profit on my TradingView and Lucid. So why I call this risky? Simply because look at this, lots of sweeps below the sell side. Price cannot close below. But I just want to try. Just to check if today we want to fill this gap. Because if not today, maybe tomorrow. Not fill, at least trade back into this gap. So I'm aware of, like, potential loss here, so I will take it. That's why I said don't copy this. But I'm collecting data. Minor closure, minor closure, minor closure. 3 minor closures. Still trying, still below 930. I'm open on both ES and NQ. Yeah. Still trying to hold 50% of previous 30-minute candle. Hard to call this expansion, but you know what? We will see. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Is it really that different on MES? Wow. On MES, it felt to take sell side. Just realize this. No, I'm just trading like 5 TPT accounts. It's big balance accounts. That's why I said it's risky trade. Don't copy this. I closed my Lucid, I closed my Tradify and profit, so I'm not going to trade them. I'm happy with my profit. But this I just want to give this a try, Interesting to see if we have a chance to feel like at least touch old gap. If not today, then tomorrow. I really want to see SPX trading back to old gap. It's like really seriously super risky trade because we never got like strong closure. But for me, like we got the closure. So basically validation is here. Not perfect one, but validation is here. So I really want to give this a try. And I'm basically risking what I made on my previous trade. So in TPT, like worst scenario, I'm gonna make $0 today. It's like worst scenario. Oh guys, let me share something funny. On Friday, remember we were trying to short ES, right? Twice. And I posted like on X, like my trades on ES, like 1 loss, 1 win. And like 5 people, guys, 4 of them like sent me direct message saying like, why you don't say like you didn't, like you took a loss? I'm like, what? Another person said, why you don't mention like you took a huge loss before? And I'm like sitting with $240 in loss and saying like, guys, stop looking in my pocket. Seriously. Yes, I took a loss. It's small loss for me. If you over leverage here, it's your problem, not mine. And like, guys, jokes aside, like 5 people actually did this, saying this. And I'm like, excuse me, what is going on? What are you even talking about? Guys, don't forget to click the like button. Trade and Take Profit Trader accounts, they earn 50% off. It's flash sale, 50% off on all plans. And now with new sale, only 1 week, you can pass accounts within 3 days. It used to be 5 days. You need to have 5 trading days to pass your evaluations. Now it's limited sale, only 1 week. You can pass for 3 days. So 50% off. So guys, seriously, TPT is my top 1. It's gonna be first place, I guess, forever because guys, how much I love Take Profit Trader accounts. How I trade them a lot. And guys, 50% off, it's really like one of the best deals they ever run. And 3 days to pass instead of 5. It's really nice deal. If you want to support the channel, you can use code LUMIA, but at the same time, guys, you can participate in giveaway because I'm doing 50K accounts for giveaway today. Yes, guys, I still would like to see lower. It's a risky trade, but once again, if not today, then tomorrow, I would like to see we trading back to old gap. If not today, once again, then tomorrow, I would like to see we trading like to old gap on SPX. I mean, chance, like there is chance to get this today. But I'm just trying to think about weekly profile. It's either Tuesday, ideally, Tuesday low of the week, or Wednesday reversal profile, midweek rally. So at this point, either Tuesday or Wednesday will make low of the week if market wants to stay bullish. That's why I'm thinking like, if not today, then tomorrow we can trade back into this gap. It's completely, guys, unfilled gap. We never traded into this gap before. See, it's just flat candle here. We never traded to this gap. So which makes me feel, once again, there is big room to downside for manipulation. So we will see. Na, na, na. Sorry, guys. I think tomorrow morning I will try to short again. Depends how we're gonna trade PM session today. But I think I like shorts tomorrow as well. Once again, depends how we're gonna close today. But so far, it doesn't look bad. Oops, sorry, guys. Up. Here's min threshold to 50-minute order block. Look at SPX. Nice closure. First closure below the sell side. Like first, I would say significant closure. Yes, guys, OPEX on Friday. It's going to be monthly options expiration. So I truly believe Friday going to be shit. I'm serious right now. I think it's going to be shit. So let's see if, not in Q, but ES wants to hit 50-minute order block. Interesting how SPX and ES keep making new low while MAS chart, micro ES chart, still trying to hold this AM session sell side. It's surprising, like, to me. Kind of interesting. I mean, I'm still in as well. I told you guys, I really want to try here. Just not sure which day is like truly bearish, this day or tomorrow. We will see. NQ just like seek and destroy. I'm not going to rely on NQ, like saying, and NQ broke above 50% of previous 30-minute candle. It just doesn't make any sense to talk about NQ. NQ did nothing today, but only hit equilibrium Friday range. Thanks for this, but at the same time, once again, it did nothing. Gonna pack my continue packing kids gifts because it's my son's birthday. And I already said this yesterday, guys. I have 2 boys. And for me personally, if it's like, let's say Nathan's birthday, he's 7 today, I'm gonna buy a gift for Daniel as well. If it's Daniel's birthday, I'm gonna buy a gift for Nathan as well, because I can look at my kids when someone like gives, like, let's say Nathan's birthday, someone gives like gift for Nathan but not for Daniel, and I'm like, you know what? I cannot look at this, guys. It's just crazy for me. I'm about to start crying, like, why Nathan got birthday but Daniel like didn't get anything, and I really feel bad about this. And I always buy like 2 gifts for Nathan's birthday, and for Daniel's birthday I buy 2 gifts because it's hard for me. So yesterday I went to a store, Lego store, and I bought 2 Legos because like no way Nathan gonna get his gift, but Daniel will not. Nathan turned 7 today. 7, guys. Big boy. Time flies. Like, imagine, like, I'm mom for 7 years. Yeah, I bought Legos. One is for 10 years old kids, because my Nathan loves like big Legos, like lots of pieces in there, like 1,000 pieces and more. He loves this. For Daniel, it's really hard because Daniel's 5. So for Daniel, I bought like for his age. I believe it's 6+. But for Nathan, it's 10+. Yeah. Yeah, guys, click the like button. Let's say happy birthday, Nathan. Happy birthday, Nathan. You earned it, Tony. Thank you so much. But guys, you know, like ignoring like just shit price action on NQ, our 2 trade ideas were like valid, because like so far, if we hold like second trade, we could get sniper exit. I bought a cake yesterday, which I'm not going to eat. You know, guys, I don't eat sugar. Nathan and Daniel, they picked cake. Lots of chocolate in there. Of course, they're gonna pick this one. Guys, everyone entered giveaway. I hope so. Where's giveaway? I'm gonna send link again. Guys, I'm doing TPT for giveaway today. 2 accounts, 50k accounts. If you missed giveaway, link in the chat to enter giveaway. Don't be shy, it's free to enter. I don't ask for anything, just enter giveaway now. Oh, damn. Look at this. Such a shit. Price action. So, like, what did you expect from summer price action, my friend? You expected to get, like, lots of volatility? Are you kidding me? Like, historically, we don't have volatility, like, especially in August. So, like, historically, we don't have volatility, like really, like, low volume. And it's normal to have this. Like, just size down. If you keep losing, like, a big amount, just size down. But this indicator, as you can see here, OT of RTH gaps, it's just indicator which I wrote like last weekend. If you want to try this indicator, it's free. It's not public yet, it's private. But here's the link, guys, if you want to add SPX indicator to your chart. I mean, setup for SPX worked today, but once again, I went to the bathroom. And then when I back, it was here. So obviously I miss this. If you just joined, guys, we tried to short twice on NQ. First was break-even, second was partial win. The rest up in small profit. So I locked profit on my Lucid and TradingView account, so disconnected them. Right now, took this risky trade on my Take Profit Trader account. So basically risking what I made on my NQ short. Just would like to try this one to see if market really wants to try to tap this gap today. If not today, then tomorrow. So I will give the second shot tomorrow. I mean, right now, just chopping, nothing else. But once again, I do like the test of this old gap from August 13. We completely left this gap. See, I'm going to show you now. I hope you're going to see this now. See, it's just flat candle. We never ever trade into this gap. So I do like this. Just question when. Like, really no volume to, I guess, go there now, but maybe PM session, maybe like tomorrow morning. I hope it's not going to be Asia or London because I prefer... Oh, it's not going to be simply because SPX is going to close at 4:08. But yeah, I hope tomorrow we're going to get this one, if not today. Damn it, that's crazy. Yeah, on NQ, guys, on NQ, our target was at 156. As you can see, it could be sniper exit, but we trail our stop. We partialed here. We trail stop loss to break even. 2 micros left. Actually, stop at break even. Small profit somewhere here. And then right after this, it dropped. I didn't want to re-enter like third time. Even if I want to see lower, I didn't want to re-enter. Like 3 shorts on NQ. It's already, like, seriously, guys, too much. Jokes aside, it's too much for me. If it failed to take this twice, so I would try to stay away from third attempt, like, jokes aside. But seriously happy with profit on Lucid and TradingView. Could be worse. Long's questionable for now. I mean, for today, like, how far I want to see if, like, we will get longs. I mean, I have long set up here, a trade idea for long, but it's questionable simply because I'm thinking, like, if there is any, like, if it makes sense to bounce today on Monday. Technically, not really. But if setup will be validated here, like, why not to long above 9:30 AM open to New York midnight open without aiming for any significant liquidity levels? Maybe this one, you know, for longs, but it's really questionable. So I don't, just for now, maybe something will change later, but just for now, I don't really see longs yet. And Q, like, I'm gonna ignore NQ, guys. It's just, like, seriously nothing there. But scalp for how many points? For 10 points from 9:30 AM open to New York midnight open, definitely possible. As well as definitely possible to hold Shriner towards equilibrium Friday range at 78.14. This one, like, guys, maybe scalp long. But from here, I don't like it. Even if we got, like, some sort of SMT, you can tell me between ES and MAS, like, it's okay. I'm really seriously fine to miss long and take a loss here. Months first in your website. I will, yeah, sure, ask. SPX open. So, Michael, question is, I mean, yeah, definitely we can get this one. I agree with you simply because we can retrace all the way up to New York midnight open on ES. And maybe I will try long here. Not sure I'm gonna stay on Steam, but, because how much time it's gonna take to hit 9:30 AM open. But I may consider this, guys, just in case I'm gonna be offline. I may consider this long. Not now. Later. Michael, you don't like this unfilled gap lower? Why? You think it's gonna leave this for tomorrow? Okay, guys, let's do giveaway. What time is this now? 10:50. No, actually 5 more minutes. I'm gonna give you 5 more minutes. Oh no, these are not so cool market makers. You know, like when I was ending, it was a risky trade, but here we got the closure, basically validation. Who is Michael? Like, I would say Michael is a popular name. Millions people have this name. Not ICT. So for Nathan, I bought... Oh, by the way, where is this? I'm gonna show you now if I find... No, my husband hid it. So Nathan asked for transformer pen. So it's like pen, like you can write with this, and it's like toy transformer. So I bought 4 of them, 2 for Nathan, 2 for Daniel. And I bought Lego, a Lego for Nathan, Lego for Daniel, different age. So for Nathan, it's like 10 plus, but Nathan is 7. For Daniel, it's like 6 plus. Daniel is 5. Steve and Dave. Steve? Like, are you serious? I would say Michael is the most popular one, and Alex. Then probably, yes, David. What else? Kevin, yeah, actually, yeah. Alex, yeah, Alex, so such a popular name. Oh, yeah, Tom, exactly. Tom, John, yes. Joshua, Kevin, David, Alex, Michael. And you know, like, it's funny story because when I was trying to pick name for my kids, I was like, Nathan is not that popular, so it's gonna be like nice. It's gonna be one Nathan across his friends. Like, actually, it's not one Nathan, but it's not popular one. But Daniel, for Daniel also was like the same, you know. For Daniel not that popular, but after like my son was born and I called him Daniel, like every second kid was Daniel. Daniel is also popular one. In my country, my sister has common name. Like we had 5. She's Nastya or Anastasia. So we had like 5 Nastyas in my classroom, or 6. It was just wild. Dasha. We had 2 Dashas in my classroom as well. Like Sasha. It's like Alex in English. Also popular one. I'm not sure like which popular like right now because I don't live there. How's she doing? She always doing great. Dasha? Yeah, it's pretty common, yeah. Yeah. How about... I cannot even pronounce this. What are you talking about? I'm just thinking about this now. Let me see. I'm just trying to like think about boy's name. Popular one. I guess it's also Alex, like Sasha. You know, it's funny because like in my country or in Russia, even Ukraine, people live there, but they started calling their kids like with like really American names, which I don't understand at all. I guess David is super popular now there. I go live every single day. Every single day. I do like 15-minute OBD test. I don't think like there's any sense to partial there, but because of risk reward. But one contract off at 88.50 maybe. I think once we hit 15-minute OB, I can trail stop loss. Honestly, don't know, but we will see. I just figure out like if I'm gonna be stopped, I'm gonna be in profit because my stop loss is less what I made today. Okay, let's hold. Where we stopped? Oh, Anna. Yeah, Anna is popular one. NQ just shit. Like, let's call the names. Let's give this real name for NQ price action. Just shit. That's it. It was shit from the very beginning, but somehow, guys, we tried to short twice on NQ, and somehow we were right. Like, somehow is the key word here, because damn, looking in hindsight, it's just shit. I mean, ES doesn't look better. Let's be honest. Okay, let's do giveaway because I'm tired. Everyone entered? What time we entered? Like millions years ago, right? Let's do at least one account for now. Oh, interesting nickname. Let's see if he's in the chat. Guys, if you want, make sure to have active account with Take Profit Trader. So if you use same, and preferably to use same email you used for Take Profit Trader when you move to 96. Oh, I'm risking $150. I'm gonna finish the day almost $100 in profit on TPT if I'm gonna take a loss. Not going to move. It's okay. Like, risk is really small. So once again, guys, if you entered giveaway, make sure to have active account with Take Profit Trader. Don't buy anything. Just create account with Take Profit Trader, okay? She's not here, right? Like, oh, I see you. I see you. Emotional. Oh, yeah. When you risk amount that you can afford to lose, you don't need to be scared of this, like how much you can risk on this trade and you're okay with risking this amount. If you're okay with this, like you're gonna feel good about this. Like if you draw down, like don't look at your PNL. No reason for this. Just let it run. That's it. If you're gonna be wrong, you're going to lose amount you are willing to lose, right? You can afford to lose. So for example, I'm up because of my partial win on NQ $240, almost $240. So right now I'm risking 160. So like worst scenario, I'm gonna make $80 on TPT and I'm gonna finish $240 on my Lucid and TradingView accounts. Fine, I will take it. It's not a problem. I cannot see winner. He's not here, right? Okay, yeah, 6 seconds left for him. So I have base hits on some of my accounts, which means once I made like certain amount of money, I want to lock these accounts for the day. But my TPT accounts, they kind of big. They have big balance because I trade them a lot, like every single day. And sometimes I want to take a trade which I consider risky, but still setup is here. So I'm gonna disconnect like all previous accounts simply because I made my money there, and I'll continue trading like these accounts with bigger balance, and I have bigger room for drawdown there. That season, that's why. Let's see if this guy in the chat. Usually I give like 1 minute to claim the price. Here, I see, guys, I see. Okay. I'm gonna, guys, make sure you have active account with Take Profit Trader. If you don't have any account with Take Profit Trader, I'm gonna send link now, create account using same email you used for giveaway, okay? Here's a link to create account with Take Profit Trader, guys. If you don't have account with Take Profit Trader, but you want today, please create account using this link and using same email you used for giveaway. Damn, that chap is real. You know what? I don't want to just stay here anymore. No. But once again, guys, I will look for this trade just for your information. If I'm gonna be offline, I will look for this trade. Okay? If it's gonna break 9 AM open, I will look for this possible long. First TP gonna be New York midnight open, final TP gonna be 78.14, okay? If not gonna be online, because I know how much time it's gonna take to hit 9 AM open, I'm gonna just set alert here and I will observe. But yeah, you got my point, okay? Well, I don't know, guys. I guess we're free to go, right? And Q just broke above New York midnight open. I don't know, like, it's just choppy, super choppy here. I will take long if it's gonna break 9 AM open to New York midnight open and once again 78.14. No volume right now, doesn't want to move yet. Yeah. Kind of, you know, ugly. We did giveaway. We did our best taking some setups, but guys, look at NQ reversal. I mean, ignoring this like overall shit, look at this. Where we reversed from? Right from our TP, like right from there. It could be sniper exit, like sniper exit. Market is super decoupled. So I do see NQ going up, but at the same time, yes, keep rising lower. So not sure I want to actually treat this as SMT or something like that. And okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow at 9 AM. I hope tomorrow gonna be better. But you know, I'm gonna finish this day green anyway. So nice start of the week. Definitely could be worse with this chop on NQ, but honestly, nice start of the week. So I will take it. See you guys tomorrow morning at 9 AM. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button, guys. Quick reminder, Take Profit Trader launch quick flash sale, 50% off on all plans. And right now, for only 1 week, you can pass for 3 days instead of 5 days. Well, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Market is kind of decoupled now, you know? I don't like it. I will take this long, most likely. I think so, but not now. Longs above 9 AM open. Target gonna be New York midnight 9 AM open. Target gonna be New York midnight open and 78.14. That's gonna be my target. That's gonna be my trade. Yeah. Just for information. Yeah, guys, that's it. I'm gonna pack my kids' gifts. Let's see how this trade is gonna finish. With a win-loss, we will see. But once again, it was risky trade from the very beginning, so I expected to get this kind of chop. Yeah. Guys, see you tomorrow at 9 AM, maybe even early at 8:50 AM. Let's try to kill this tomorrow as well. Really happy with small green, but still green day on funded accounts. Gonna hold this short on NES until it stops me out or I take my profit. I mean, you never know. Really want to see you trading back to this old gap, RTH gap on SPX. If not today, then tomorrow. I will give it a second try. Yeah, I think so. For manipulation, seems like absolutely nice move. At least touch this gap and 25%. Unfortunately, no volume, but it's fine. Peace, guys. Thanks for everything. I didn't get my coffee yet. He's gonna make this now. Bought like interesting like gift wrap. It's gonna be beautiful. So yeah, guys. Garbage. See you soon. Love you guys. See you tomorrow at 9 a.m. or in Discord. If I'm gonna enter the trade, probably I will let you know if I'm not going to be on my phone. Bye, guys.